5-minute grammar quiz, level 1-2. Choose the correct answer. Only one answer is correct. Bill and I blank here. A. We are. B. We. C. We are. D. Are. Answer D. Are. Bill and I are here. And some of you would ask me, isn't M for I? But look at this. Bill and I becomes we. So when you say Bill is he, right? So he is here is correct. And then I am here. But if you put Bill and I becomes we. And then write a B verb for we is are. We are here. This is the answer. So A, we are is not correct because it's doubling we. And we cannot be the right answer. C just the same. The are. This is why D is the answer. Bill and I are here. Sarah, what blank doing? A, she is. B, are you? C, are. D, is. Answer B, are you? What are you doing? And then the end goes down because this is WH question. Okay, this is a WH question. At the same time, this is present progressive. Present progressive, so we need be plus verb ing. Now, Sarah is she, correct? But when you call Sarah, Sarah is not third person. Sarah becomes you. Sarah becomes the second person. So you're calling Sarah, Sarah, what are you doing? So Sarah is, as Sarah, third person singular. But if you call Sarah, so this comma is comma of vocative, vocation. So this makes Sarah second person, which is you. So Sarah, what are you doing? So she is not correct, and are is not enough, and is not correct. So Sarah, what are you doing? Mary's blank the garden. A, in. B, at. C, on. D, into. So Mary is A, in the garden. Mary is in the garden. So in is just like space to close the space. At also, at is just a place. On is something, and then into shows an action going into. So when you say in the garden, some of you would say that at the garden is okay too, but in the garden is more like idiomatic. So when you use the garden, you need to use in the garden. So Mary's in the garden. So this one contraction of Mary is. So this one you say Mary is, and this one Mary's. Mary's in the garden. So if this is a garden, if Mary is walking into, you can say Mary is walking into the garden. But in the garden is idiomatic, so use in. So Mary is in the garden. Mary's in the garden.